Barely had we finished reporting for this story that the first piece of good news has come for citizen journalist Sanjeev. The Supreme Court has upheld the land acquisition in the Noida extension area between 2006 and 2009. Many, like citizen journalist Sanjeev, have been protesting non-delivery of their flats in the Delhi NCR region.
3 साल तक बिल्डिंग खड़ी होती रही, ना बैंक ने देखा, ना कोर्ट ने देखा, ना अथॉरिटी ने देखा। अगर इलीगल लैंड पे मकान बन रहे थे, इसका मतलब अथॉरिटी इलीगल है।
This is a hand-in-glove nexus between the government as well as the builder lobby.
सारी मिलीभगत चल रही है सबकी, जिसमें कौन मारा जा रहा है? हम बायर्स, हमारी फैमिलीज, हमारे पेरेंट्स, हमारे बच्चे जो कि वेट कर रहे हैं कब ये घर हमको मिलेगा।
I am Sanjeev. I have turned a citizen journalist to highlight the plight of buyers of Amrapali, Heartbeat City, Sector 107.
Sanjeev had booked a 3 BHK flat in 2011 in a society by the Amrapali builders in Sector 107 Noida. He was promised possession within 36 months, but 4 years on, his dream home remained a dream, caught in battles of land acquisition. The Supreme Court has now ruled the acquisition of this land from farmers as legal, but in 2011, when Sanjeev booked the flat, his builder had given him no whiff of the legal battle that had been going on since 2009. The farmers in the state of Uttar Pradesh were fighting in the Allahabad High Court, the farmers alleging that the land was illegally acquired under the urgency clause of the Land Acquisition Act.
Rajendra Estate Private Limited, a company which was having around 85 acres of land in Sector 101, they went to Allahabad High Court where the writ was cancelled. Further, they went to Supreme Court seeking a return of their land. In August 2013, Supreme Court not only cancelled the acquisition of 85 acres of land, but they cancelled the entire acquisition of 547 acres of land in Salarpur village. Salarpur village had projects like Amrapali, Heartbeat City, Great Value Sharanam, Lotus 300, and close to around 4,000 flat buyers were affected by this order.
Despite the Supreme Court order, the land was not returned to the farmers, who then approached Allahabad High Court.
In June 2014, therefore, Allahabad High Court ordered a complete stay on construction and marketing activities in Sector 107 land as well. We went to the builder to find out the status of the project. There was no satisfactory answer in spite of many follow-ups.
It's almost 42 months now, and there is no way that I can get this house in next 2 years.
There is no commitment from the Noida authority that when something like this will be sorted out. It has left 90% of us in the lurch because we don't know what to do.
वो जज के ऊपर कम से कम कोई तो उससे पूछने वाला हो कि 2 एकड़ की लैंड के बदले में आपने 600 एकड़ लैंड के कम से कम 10,000 फैमिलीज को इतना डिस्ट्रेस में डाल के रखा हुआ है.
Today I am living in a rented apartment, and there are EMIs to be paid, but then there's no fate. I mean, the site is not there that when we will be getting this flat.
The fate of buyers like Sanjeev was hanging in balance as the Noida authority and the builders appealed in a review petition before the Supreme Court.
In this case, even if the notification was illegal, there is that's no fault of the flat buyers, because they have purchased these flats after the acquisition had been upheld, and there was no stay of the judgment. So there's no illegality so far as the investments made by individual flat buyers are concerned, and I'm sure the Supreme Court is going to protect them.
For the last 4 years, Sanjeev has been paying a rent of 32,000 for the house where he and his family reside, besides a whooping EMI of 65,000. With the Supreme Court order now, there will be some sigh of relief, but many like Sanjeev will wait to celebrate till the key to their house is in their hands.
We would request the Noida authority and the concerned authorities to ensure that the interests of the flat buyers are also well taken care of, and the possession of the flats are handed over to the buyers as soon as possible, since we have already paid 60 to 90% of the flat cost. This is Sanjeev, citizen journalist for CNN IBM.
Home buyers like Sanjeev in Noida and Greater Noida will be able to heave a sigh of relief now that the Supreme Court has upheld the acquisition made by the local governing bodies between the years 2006 and 2009. And now really it's up to the builders to finish the construction as soon as possible. Now, our next citizen journalist report comes from Bengaluru. Priyanka